Hi everyone, welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. My name is Reancy.
And I'm Gary.
In today's video, we will going to learn random Bisaya expressions.
If these videos give you any value, guys, please don't forget to drop a like on them. And if you're new around here, also consider subscribing. With that being said, let's jump straight in the video and learn some expressions right now. So our first expression for you is, I'll do it.
Ako na. Ako na.
I'll do it. Ako na. What are you doing?
Nag-unsa ka. Nag-unsa ka.
What are you doing? Nag-unsa ka. Are you done or are you finished?
Humana ka. Humana ka.
Are you done or are you finished is humana ka. Our fourth expression for you is that it?
Mauna. Mauna.
Is that it? Mauna. I'm in a hurry.
Nagdali ko. Nagdali ko.
I'm in a hurry. Nagdali ko. It's up to you.
Ikaw ang bahala. Ikaw ang bahala.
It's up to you. Ikaw ang bahala. Never mind.
Ayaw na lang. Ayaw na lang.
Never mind. Ayaw na lang. Our eighth phrase is, do you know him or do you know her?
Nakaila ka niya? Nakaila ka niya?
Do you know him or her? Nakaila ka niya? Not yet or none yet.
You can say dili pa or wala pa. We can shorten dili pa to di pa and wala pa to wa pa.
Not yet or none yet. Dili pa, wala pa. Or shortening, di pa, wa pa. Our 10th phrase is, are you sure?
Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka?
Are you sure? Sigurado ka? Do you have loose change?
May sinsilyo ka? May sinsilyo ka?
Do you have loose change? May sinsilyo ka? Number 12. Why not?
Nganong dili? Nganong dili?
Why not? Nganong dili. Don't forget the nga sound at the front, guys. NGA. Nganong dili. No problem or no big deal.
Way problema or way kaso.
No big deal or no problem, you can use why kaso or why problema. Number 14. Just do it.
Buhata lang. Buhata lang.
Just do it. Buhata lang. I have no time.
Wala ko'y oras. Wala ko'y oras.
I have no time is wala ko'y oras. That's too much.
Sobra na na. Sobra na na.
That's too much. Sobra na na. Number 17. Did you see?
Nakita nimo? Nakita nimo?
Did you see? Nakita nimo? Even though or regardless.
Bisan pa. Bisan pa.
Regardless or even though. Bisan pa. Whose money is that?
Kang kinsang kwarta na. Kang kinsang kwarta na.
Whose money is that? Kang kinsang kwarta na. What is this?
Unsa kini? Or the short form, unsa ni? Unsa kini? Or unsa ni?
What is this? Unsa kini? Or shorten it down to unsa ni? I don't remember.
Wa ko kahinumdum. Wa ko kahinumdum.
I don't remember. Wa ko kahinumdum. Come here.
Duol nako. Or duol ragud. Duol nako. Or duol ragud.
Come here, you can use two. Du'ul nako or du'ul ragud. Don't forget.
Ayaw o kalimut. Or, the shortened form, ayaw kalimut. Ayaw o kalimut. Or, ayaw kalimut.
Don't forget. Ayaw og kalimut. Shortening that down, guys. Ayaw kalimut. I don't want that.
Dili ko ana. Dili ko ana.
I don't want that. Dili ko ana. I thought.
Abi nako. Abi nako.
I thought. Abi nako. What is that?
Unsa ka na? Or the short form, unsa na. Unsa ka na? Or unsa na.
What is that? Unsa ka na? Or again, shorten it, guys. Unsa na. I forgot.
Nakalimut ko. Nakalimut ko.
I forgot. Nakalimut ko. I know him. Oh, I know her.
Kaila nako siya. Kaila nako siya. Or kaila nako siya. Kaila nako siya.
I know him or her. Kaila nako siya. Or you can pronounce the sha slightly different, guys. Kaila nako siya. And our last expression for you today is, who is your companion? Or, who are you with?
Kinsay kauban nimo. Kinsay kauban nimo. Or you could also say, kinsay kuyog nimo. Kinsay kuyog nimo.
Who is your companion or who are you with? Kinsay kauban nimo or kinsay kuyog nimo. So that covers our video for random Bisaya expressions. We hope you enjoyed it, and if there's any that you'd like to know that we haven't covered, why not drop them in the comment section below and we'll answer them for you.
If you find this video helpful, don't forget to put a like or consider subscribing.
And as always, guys, have a great day.
See you in another video.